Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the phone and preparing accounts. You must have the Vivo account or Google account used on the device. If you don't, locate purchase proof or the IMEI. Once done, ensure the phone is charged and online so remote recovery tools can communicate. Make note of any linked email or backup phone numbers. This saves time and prevents accidental data loss because account-based recovery is the safest and most supported path forward. Next, use the account recovery features tied to the device. Log into your Vivo account on a computer and follow the Find My Phone or Password Reset workflow. These let you change credentials securely. If the device uses Google services, sign into Google Find My Device to locate or secure it. Be careful, erasing will delete data. When resetting passwords, follow email or SMS verification prompts. Make sure you control those accounts so verification codes arrive. These methods use provider security to restore access without bypassing locks. For final steps, back up anything you can access. Then, if account recovery doesn't work and you accept data loss, perform an official factory reset via the system settings or recovery mode. Make sure you have ownership proof, because some resets trigger FRP or account locks requiring the original account credentials. If you hit a lock or unexpected error, contact Vivo support or an authorized center and present purchase proof and ID. This is the legitimate route to regain use without compromising device security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.